Hi, I'm Vipin Sharma. This is my Urban Asian profile. I'm from Delhi. I grew up in Delhi. I went to the National School of Drama, and then I shifted to Canada in Toronto, where I lived for almost 15 years. And now I'm back in Mumbai, and I'm acting in Bombay, as we still call it. My idea initially was I wanted to do a film with, there are these actors in Bombay who are, they're called strugglers, and they basically have a very kind of a strange view of acting. They think acting is something that, they're thinking that one day something will happen and they'll become Shah Rukh Khans. I went to meet someone once and they were having some auditions in their office. You know how you hold your slate with your name on, so it's your name and number. And I saw this guy who basically, when he was told to give the slate, in India or here also probably, people say, you say your name and your number. And so these people, they think even that is part of the acting. So this guy goes, "Hello, you want to know my number, right? My number is," I think you want to know it in Hindi also, right? So he's acting in his slate also. I was watching these guys, I'm going like, wow, this is amazing. So I thought I should do a film with these kind of characters. So I put an update on Facebook which said looking for bad actors. So I had 400 people came for this audition actually. I got some real stories from them, like from their life. And then I built a screenplay around it, added my ideas to it. So I've been working on it. I've shot my first schedule and then now I'm waiting for the second one, which will be the second and the last schedule. So I'm hoping for a film that will tickle the, the funny actor's bone in a lot of people I know. One person that really comes to my mind right now is Christopher Nolan. And I love the way he, manipulates the story and the characters. And there are so many layers going on and there's so much going on. I really admire that it's also a challenge for an actor because you don't have a straightforward character that you're playing. There are so many things that you need to kind of think about and take care of. I like working with directors who don't say much. Just their sheer presence makes you do things. And it doesn't happen with everyone. I've worked with a lot of the directors in India, and for example, if you're working with Anurag Kashyap, something happens. You automatically do your best. I think Anurag Kashyap is one name that comes to my mind. He's always trying to do something different, and he's always trying to, like, his Ugly is very different from Gangs of Wasseypur and other films like Dev D. He is also a director who thinks very deeply about characters, and his characters are really really well thought out characters. They are not just they're not just simply roles. They are really these human beings that you can really connect with them on a very deeper level, which is very rare in Indian cinema. So I really admire him for that actually. His casting director called me and he said there is a small role in this film. And Anurag actually says I should not be doing it, but do you want to? So I said, I would love to because I don't want to wait for another year if this is an opportunity for me to work with him. So I accepted it. I said, I'll do it. So when I met Anurag was like, why are you doing this role? I said, I really want to work with you. So it'll be great. It'll be a start. So when I did my first scene, he came up to me and he said, I'm gonna think of some scenes for this character. So he improvised some scenes. And one day I got a message from him saying that I am highly obliged that you took a small role in my film and made it really, a bigger type of role. There are more and more people who are really interested in watching. A lot of films in the last 5 years, they were films which were made with lesser known actors or totally unknown actors, and they've done very well actually. There is an interest, and the exposure, a lot of people are watching a lot of stuff on the net. So they're getting to see world-class cinema, so they can compare it now. An Indian film compared to another, brilliant film from outside. So they are people are now expecting Indian cinema also to create those kind of films. So yeah, there is definitely a change. My preference in terms of acting, playing good guy or bad guy. Bad guy. Good guys are good for nothing, right? Good guy. What a good guy is gonna do? I mean, people are not gonna pay bucks to see a good guy. People are gonna pay bucks to see a bad guy. Bad guys have more to offer, right? There is more confrontation. There's more conflict. That's what we all love about. Why would we see a film which has no conflict? So, and bad guy often, there's a redemption at the end for bad guys, which is good.